Hello friends, so welcome to our channel. Let's learn with us. So today we are talking about digital image processing in computer vision. Okay, so how is digital image processing work? Here we are talk about two definition of it. Okay, so first definition of it, that digital image processing where sampling and quantization techniques are applied to convert image into discrete form. Okay, so what that mean in simple language? It mean that we simply convert if we have to apply something on it. For example, image is in front of us. Okay, then if you apply some smoothing and other techniques. For example, we have to smooth the image, we have to filter the image, or we have to edit the image. For it, we have to simply apply that first convert it into discrete form. Okay, so that converting is in discrete form is known as the digital image, or we can say it is called as image digitization. Okay, so changing image into discrete form. What is discrete form? 0 or 1. Okay, discrete form is nothing but a math form means what? A 0 and 1 form we have changed the image is known as image digitization. Okay, now what is it? Its second definition. Let's see that. So there is not a second definition. It's about now the question which comes in our mind, that what picture means here. Okay, so picture is nothing. Picture means analog or raw image data. Okay, in digital image processing, if we are talk about picture. Okay, so picture is nothing but analog or raw image of data. Okay, image means, what is image means here? Image mean digital data that's suitable for processing image using our digital computers. Okay, so here image, if talk about in definition image, so image simply define showcase that digital form of that image. Okay, not the raw form, or sorry, the simple form, not that. Okay, the jpg, not the jpg form. It's the digital format is 0 or 1 format. Okay, so when you talk about image in it. Okay, so now that so this is our digital image processing. Okay, thank you.